If you want to track a package using a tracking number, the process is very simple and only takes a few seconds. First, locate your tracking number. You can usually find it in the confirmation email in the store where you place the order, or in the shipping notification message. Once you have the tracking number, open your web browser on your phone or computer. Now, go to a package tracking website. One of the easiest options is 17track, which allows you to track packages from many different shipping companies in one place. When the website opens, you will see a search bar in the center of the page. Simply paste or type your tracking number into that search bar. After that, click on Track. The website will automatically detect the shipping carrier and show you the current status of your package. Here you will be able to see important details such as when the package was shipped, the locations it has passed through, whether it is in transit, and the estimated delivery date. If the package was just shipped, it may take a few hours or up to 1 day for the tracking information to appear. And that's it. That's how you can track any package using a tracking number quickly and easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and simple tutorials.